The world of hypercars has always been defined by extremes: extreme speed, extreme engineering, extreme ambition. But every once in a while, a machine arrives that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. This is the Yangwang U9 Xtreme, an electric hypercar from BYD's ultra-luxury performance brand. A car engineered not simply to compete, but to rewrite what a production EV can do. With nearly 3,000 horsepower, a 1,200-volt architecture, and a verified top speed of 496.22 kilometers per hour, the U9 Xtreme stands as one of the most astonishing feats of automotive engineering ever attempted. Today, we're diving deep into its design, its technology, its performance, and the innovations that make it a landmark in EV history. The U9 Xtreme's exterior is a masterclass in functional aggression. Every line, every vent, every contour serves a purpose. The front fascia is dominated by sharp aerodynamic channels that carve airflow with surgical precision. Ultra-slim LED light blades sweep across the nose, giving the car a futuristic, predatory stance. Move along the sides and you'll notice the sculpted carbon fiber bodywork. Lightweight, rigid, and shaped to minimize drag while maximizing downforce. Underneath, the flat carbon underbody channels air through a venturi tunnel, creating a ground effect that sucks the car toward the pavement. At the rear, a dramatic active wing and diffuser work together to keep the U9 Xtreme planted. The taillights form a striking energy arc, a signature design element that hints at the car's electric ferocity. This isn't just design, it's purpose-built performance art. At the core of the U9 Xtreme lies BYD's revolutionary blade battery, using high-stability lithium-ion phosphate chemistry. But this isn't the same battery found in consumer EVs. It's been re-engineered for extreme discharge rates and thermal resilience. The 1,200-volt architecture allows for massive current flow with reduced heat buildup, enabling the motors to unleash their full potential without thermal throttling. Putting that electric power to work, the U9 Xtreme uses a quad motor setup, one motor at each wheel, delivering nearly 3,000 horsepower in total. Each motor is capable of spinning up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, using aerospace-grade materials and ultra-thin silicon steel laminations for maximum efficiency. This setup enables true torque vectoring, allowing the car to adjust power at each wheel independently. The result is razor-sharp handling, unbelievable cornering stability, and acceleration that feels more like a launch sequence than a driving experience. The drivetrain is supported by DICES X, BYD's full active body control system. It can adjust pitch, roll, and ride height in milliseconds, keeping the car level and composed even under brutal acceleration forces. Step inside the U9 Xtreme and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends motorsport minimalism with futuristic luxury. Lightweight carbon fiber dominates the cabin, complemented by sculpted Alcantara surfaces and metallic accents. The seats are race-inspired, designed to hold the driver firmly during high-G maneuvers while still offering premium comfort. Despite its extreme nature, the U9 Xtreme doesn't sacrifice refinement. Ambient lighting, premium audio, and customizable drive modes create an environment that feels both high-tech and high-class. And let's talk numbers. This is where the U9 Xtreme doesn't just impress, it dominates. Starting with its 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 2.36 seconds, and then reaching 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 6.99 seconds, and 0 to 400 kilometers per hour in 27.65 seconds, with an estimated quarter-mile time of 8.5 seconds and a blinding top speed of 496.22 kilometers per hour. These numbers place the U9 Xtreme among the fastest accelerating and fastest traveling production cars ever built, electric or otherwise. And it's not just straight-line speed. With a Nürburgring lap time of 6 minutes and 59.157 seconds, the U9 Xtreme proves it's a legitimate track weapon, capable of sustaining extreme performance through corners as well as the straightaways. So, as the U9 Xtreme rockets into the record books, one thing becomes clear. We're witnessing the birth of a new era. An era where electric hypercars don't just match the legends of the past, they surpass them. It challenges the idea that EVs are limited by battery weight, thermal constraints, or drivetrain complexity. It shows what's possible when engineering ambition meets cutting-edge technology. The U9 Xtreme is both a milestone and a glimpse into the future of speed, and that future is electrifying. Visit the Driven by Design channel for the next episode in this series and other automotive news and reviews.